In this video, I'll show you how to rename a Facebook ads campaign. First, sign into your Meta business account on your desktop. Once you're inside, open Ads Manager. Next, click Campaigns to view all of your advertising campaigns. After that, find the campaign you want to rename and select it. Now, click on the campaign name. The name field will become editable. Next, type the new name you want to use for the campaign. After that, press Enter or click outside the field to apply the change. Now, click Review and Publish if Meta asks you to publish the changes. Finally, wait a few moments for the update to be saved. Your campaign will now appear with the new name throughout Ads Manager. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to rename a Facebook ads campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.